Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a blurry camera on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you open your iPhone and you see that your iPhone camera is blurred, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to make sure that your iPhone camera lens are clean. And after cleaning your camera lens, what you have to do next is you have to simply go for removing of the any kind of a protected layer on your iPhone camera lens. And after doing all the things, what you can do is you can simply press and hold the power button and low volume button, and you have to simply restart or reboot your iPhone. And after restarting or rebooting your iPhone, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, which means you have still a blurry camera on your iPhone, what you have to do, you have to simply decrease your zoom level so that the blur option has gone. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you have to still your hands while shooting on your iPhone camera. Sometimes when you shake your hand too much, it is difficult for your iPhone camera to take good photos because it has been blurred. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go for the iPhone settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to click on general, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings, which means all of your settings, and after that all of your camera settings will also reset. So you can simply go for the default setting of your camera. So this will make your camera work better because it is now in default mode. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go for the settings again, and you have to check whether it is updated to the latest version or not. For this you have to go to setting and general, and after that you have to click on software update, and you have to check for latest iOS update, and you have to simply download and install that latest update. And after downloading and installing the latest update, you have to check your problem has been solved. If the problem is still there, then you can simply ask us in the comment, or you can simply go for the Safari and search for the Apple support discussion, where you can simply ask for your problem and you will get many solutions for your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.